All right, back again today at Soundsource in Macon, Georgia. My name is BJ, and let me give you a quick rundown of what I have going on. I'll be working on a 1986 Chevy Caprice, better yet known as the Pop Chevy. I made this console, got a rough cut and in here mocking it up as we speak. It'll house your cup holders and your double din. Also, I have your kick panels, which will hold a PRV. It's a Neo version. And it has a smaller magnet on it, just as loud as all the rest, but it allows me mountain depth, install it in here without having to cut into the structure of the vehicle. Pretty cool. All right. And in the rear, I'll be running 4 6.5s and 2 compression horns, also made by PRV. I made this neat little grill. Keep the sun off of those mids and highs, keep it from dry rotting and all that good stuff. I'll get my Milwaukee saw out and do some cutting, and I'll get it all complete. Let me give you a rundown of the actual product I'll be using in this vehicle. Amps of choice today will be the VFL, the 250.4. Great amplifiers. Sound good. They have a lot of power. You'll be pleased with them. And they're inexpensive. Also, I have the PRVs going in the back. I have 4 of these Alto series. And let's see, these compression horns. The D280Ti-S. These things are very loud. Audio pipe. Gotta have these. This tweeter, new on the market. Audio pipe's been around for a minute, but this tweeter right here, I chose to run this one because of its size and also the way it sounds. It is a super tweeter, but it actually sounds like a silk dome tweeter as well. It's very versatile, but it sounds amazing. These are the ones I'm going to run inside the console, and I've already showed you the other one that is, placed in the vehicle. The dash kit I'll be running, it is a Scotch dash kit. It's a GM 1480B. And what I'll do is I'll make an ABS holster for it, and I will also cut it out for the preamp. All right, that's gonna conclude it for today. Any questions, anything, let me know. Leave it in the comment section. And I also give 10% off to all my subscribers. Thank you. Part 2 is coming.